Here we are going to discuss about e-portfolio. That means electronic portfolio. The portfolio mean that's actually a collection of data. In various occasions, you may collect various type of data. For example, for suppose your personal occasions. In personal occasion, you may have your birthdays or any uh, events like that. Then you have many types of data regarding that events, right? It may be a photo, it may be a video, or any other types of documents, right? Then portfolio provide facilities to maintain those types of data and information, right? Creating portfolio is very important in your examinations also. And next year, I think you may have to create a personality. You may have to face a personality test. In that case, also you have to create a portfolio. Right? In this year, it may be a e-portfolio, electronic portfolio. Right? Therefore, you should know how to create your own portfolio. Especially in this portfolio, you have to include your special event in the college of education there. And in the college of education, you may face some teaching practice period, then some types of events like New Year festival or Vesak festival, then some sports events, right? Then first thing is, before creating this e-portfolio, then first thing is you want to collect the information there, right? That collections of that events or data regarding to your teaching practice, or that particular events, right? It may be a YouTube video or certificate. Those types of evidence you have to collect before creating the e-portfolio, right? Suppose here I'm going to show how to create this e-portfolio. uh, then you will be able to maintain your data properly, right? Not only use this portfolio for your to maintain your personal events, this also you can use to create visual aids that useful for your teaching learning process, right? Therefore I am using one example how to use this type of things in your classroom as well, right? Now I'm starting the part to creating it portfolio. The first thing is you want to open the Google Chrome, that means a web browser, right? I'm going to share the screen, right? Get a web browser here, right? Open a Google search, right? In the Google search, in the search bar, type here Google Sites, Google Sites, Google Site. You want to type here Google Sites, right? Once you type the Google search there, then you can search it, right? Once you search it, then the set of links you can appear in the search browser, right? Select the first one, right? Very first one, Google site. Click on here, right? Once you click this Google site there, then you will see a very familiar screen, right? That immediately you can remember this screen when you are creating the Google Forms. That 2 weeks before I explained how to create the Google Forms there, that all of you giving the same assessment also creating the Google Form. This screen is very similar to that particular screen that using to create the Google Forms, right? From this screen, select, you are going to create a new portfolio, therefore select blank. Click on here blank. Once you click the blank there, then you will move to another screen. This screen provides facilities to create your portfolio. Actually, this is the first page, right? First page of your portfolio, also known as home page, right? This is very much similar to a website, right? Normally, you browse through the various types of website. This portfolio also very much similar to these websites. This is the first page or home page of your portfolio. Right here, I'm going to change some settings here. The first thing is you want to give a title. Right in this area, this is the place where you are creating your portfolio. That means you are inserting various types of things to in this area. And then you can see this area in two parts. The one part is this colored area, and the below one is white area, white section. White section is the place where you are going to insert various types of things. Right. This colored area known as banner. This colored area known as banner. Right. Then your title you have to give into in this colored area or this in banner area. Right. It's the default one is your page title. Instead of this page title here, you can remove this one by selecting. Then you can give your own title. For example, suppose in this case, I'm going to create a small portfolio that useful in your teaching and learning process. Suppose you are going to teach uh, the types of vehicle in your uh, classroom students, right? Therefore, my title here, I'm typing the title, the types of vehicles, right? In your case, this title is difference, right? According to your application, you have to give a title there, right? Once you give in the title, then if you want, you can change some settings of this title, or if you want, you can change the font type by clicking this down arrow here, right? If you want, you can change uh, the font type and font size also, right? Using this text toolbar, you can change some settings of this text, right? Then you can paste your text in any location in this banner area, right? Right, by dragging and using the drag operation, you can place this uh, title in any area of this banner, right? That's the first thing. You want to give a title for your portfolio, right? Then here left top corner, there is a small title. You can see here, enter the site name. Right now you can give a site name here. This site name is important because finally once you made your portfolio, then they are automatically create a link, right? That's very similar to Google Forms, right? That's the link you are going to deliver, right? This link actually they are using that particular name given here, right? This link include that particular name you are giving here, right? Therefore, it is important to give in a smart name here, right? That's the name finally you are giving to others to see your portfolio, right? Then therefore I am giving here you need or that's also according to your application. Suppose lesson vehicle, right? Lesson vehicle, that's my site name, right? Then at the end of creating this portfolio, I will show this lesson vehicle, that particular name, find in where, right? Then if you want, you can add a logo also by using this link here. uh, Click here, add logo, Once you click add logo section, then you can see a small box. Right. From this box, select upload. Before that, make sure your sidebar is in the brand image. Right, in the brand image. Then click upload here. Now you can select your logo. Suppose this is the picture I am going to insert as a logo. Select the picture and open it. Right. Then see what happened there. Particular icon you can appear on your portfolio at the top of the left top corner of your page. Right. In that way, you can add logos on your portfolio also. Right. Then another thing. Suppose you want to change the banner background. That's the default background here. Suppose if you don't like this background of this banner, then you can change it. How you are going to change this background of banner is by clicking here. You can see small box. In this box contain a small option called change image. Click here, change image. Once you click here, then they are giving option to insert new images. Right, there are two options here. One is upload. By upload, you can insert your own images. Right, your own images maybe you can find on your own computer. You can select. They are allowing to insert your own images through the upload. Select image. The second option, select image. This option allowed to select the images from the Google sites. Right? In the Google sites, they are giving their some types of images. You can select one of images through the Google site. Right? In this case, I am going to select some images from Google site. Therefore, I am select here, select image. Then you can see all the Google site images. Right. Then one of this image you can select as your banner background. Right. Then I am going to select this one. Once you select that particular image, then click on the select button at that bottom. Right. Once you click on the select button there, that particular image now you can find as a banner background. Banner background types of vehicle. Right. In that way, we can change our banner, right? Banner backgrounds in that way. Right. Okay. Then we'll see to insert some other things on your portfolio. This is the first page or home page. Normally, in the home page, you are going to insert main topics and the main pictures and the topics you are going to insert in the home page. Right. In my title is type of vehicle. Therefore, I am going to insert a picture that present in the types of vehicle. Right. Then we'll see how can insert a picture on your portfolio. Right. You can insert your pictures to your portfolio. Go to the sidebar here. Go to the sidebar here. Here you can see there are three options: insert, pages, and themes. Right. Click here, insert. If you want to insert a picture, select the option this one, insert. Right. Once you select insert, then you can see sub options here. If you want to add text, then you can select text box here. If you want to add images, click here, images. Right. That's the one way of inserting images. By clicking this image icon here, image option here, you can insert the images on your pages or on your portfolio. Right. Then another option, you can select one of the layout. Right. One of the layout. There are 6 type of layout available with your Google site. You can select one of the layout here. Right. In this case, I am going to select the first one. how you are going to insert this layout is just click it here, or you can drag and drop also. That's also possible. Right. Once you click that particular layout, then look at the change on your page here. In this layout, you can see two sections. One is a box, the other one is to insert place to insert the text. This box is used to insert the images. How you are going to insert the images is by clicking this plus mark here. Click on the plus mark. Once you click the plus mark here, then you can see options. Right? You can upload the image by clicking this upload option, or you can select, or you can upload the insert the images through your Google Drive, or you can insert a YouTube video. In that way, there are many things that you can insert on this box here. Right, I am going to insert the image. Therefore, and this time I am going to upload it. Therefore, I am selecting upload option. Right, then they are giving chance to select the picture. Right, then this giving chance to select the picture. I am selecting this one. Select the particular picture that you want to insert, then click open. Right, in that way you can insert the picture on your portfolio. Right, then in fact you can insert your own text. Right, then your own text title you can insert in front of this picture. Right, and in below they are providing facility to insert the small text. That's the layout. Right, in that way you can insert layout. Through the layout you can insert pictures. Right, if you want to insert a background to this layout, select this section background option in the left sidebar. There's a three option you can see clearly. From these three options, the top one, section background. This section background is available to insert the background pictures for the rest of the page, not for the banner. How you can insert the background for the banner, that earlier I explained. Right, then rest of the page except the background, if you want to insert background pictures, select this section background option here. Click on here. Right, once you click on the section background, then they are giving some options: regular, emphasis 1, emphasis 2, and image. Through this image option, again you can insert background through your computer or select the image. Right, if you want you can insert your own pictures as background. Right, I am going to insert my own picture for this background. Therefore, I am clicking here upload. Right, again they are giving chance to select the picture. I am select this one and click open. Right, now you can see that particular background added to the first layout here. Right, that's the way of adding background. Right, then suppose another thing, if you want to add your own paragraph to your portfolio. Right, now I am going to show how you can add your own paragraph to your portfolio. To add your own paragraph, the best way is select the text box. If you want to add some text or paragraph or lines, text lines, that's the facility is tool is text box tool. Select on the click on the textbooks tool here. Once you click there, then text tool you can appear in the page. Right, now in this page you can type your own paragraph or your own line of text. Right, in that way you can apply your paragraph to the page. Then suppose you want to add YouTube video in your portfolio. For your portfolio you want to add the YouTube video regarding your topic. Right, if you want to add a YouTube video here, the best way is use a placeholder. Right? Through the placeholder, you can insert again the videos or pictures. How you can get the placeholder is again in the sidebar, click insert, then scroll down. Right, then there's option called YouTube here. Click on the YouTube. Right, then it will appear YouTube search box. YouTube search box. In the YouTube search box, click your title or topic, what you want to search. In this case, I am going to search vehicle. Right, then click on the search button. Once you click search button, then it will appear the list of vehicles related YouTube video related with the vehicles. Now select the video which you want to insert, suppose the first one, then click select button here. And I am not using in that case placeholder, then I will show how to use the placeholder also. Without using the placeholder, I am inserted this YouTube video to the portfolio on the first page. Right. Then suppose you want to insert some text in front of this YouTube video. In this case, I am going to use a placeholder. Right. Click insert again in the sidebar. Then scroll down. Then you can see option called placeholder. Select the placeholder here. Once you click placeholder, then that placeholder object appear below the YouTube video. Right now, I am want to insert some picture in front of this video. Therefore, I want to move this placeholder to here. How you can move is drag and drop. Right? Click on the mouse here, then move to the place where you want to insert your picture and release the mouse. Right. Now placeholder you can appear in front of this YouTube video. Right. Now you can extend this, before extend, insert a picture. Right. Again click on the plus mark, upload button, then select the picture you want to insert, click open. Right, now you can extend or you can enlarge this picture by dragging the small circles here around the picture. Right, now you can adjust the size of your picture. Right, in that way you can use placeholder to insert the picture. Right, up to now we learned how to insert, how to change the settings in banner, then insert pictures, insert text, insert a YouTube video, and use of placeholder. Right now, at the bottom of your first page, try to insert a map. Right. If you want to insert a map, then again click insert. Then scroll down. There's an option called map here. Click on the map. Right. Once you click the map, then it will show you to a world map. Right. Then you want to search the particular location. Suppose you are in Polgol area. Right. Then click on the Polgol. Once you click that area, then it map search the particular area you want. Right. Now select, click on the select option. Then particular map you can see on your page. Right. Then by clicking these circles, you can enlarge the map in that way. And that's the way how you can insert a map. Right. Okay. Then that's the way of designing your home page. Right. According to your ideas and your experience, you can design this one very nicely, right? This is not nice actually. I am not a very good creator, designer, right? This time saying how you can insert various types of things. In your case, you have to match the colors, the places where you want to insert various things, then text types, text sizes, right? By referring, by looking at those things, you can organize this portfolio, this first page, very nicely. Right? Suppose you want to see a preview of this design, then there is option here, preview. Right? Then how you can see your design up to now, how you see this design up to now, you can see by clicking preview option here. Click on preview. Right? Your portfolio display in this way. Your portfolio display as a web page. Right? This is the way how your portfolio display for your viewers. Display for your viewers. Right. Okay. Then to back to the design environment, you can close this preview by clicking the close button here. Right. Now you are back into the design environment. Suppose now from here that earlier I explained, then you have categories. Right? In your personal, if you are creating the personal portfolio, then you have the things regarding to teaching practice, then things regarding to the various types of events, then things regarding to your sports. In like that, you have to identify the categories, right? To separate, to insert the categories in this Google site, giving the option uh, pages, giving the option called pages. One page represents one category. Therefore, we want to know how to add pages for your portfolio. Right, to insert the pages, click pages here in the sidebar. uh, that earlier we click insert. Now select this middle one, pages. Click on the pages here. Click on the pages here. Once you click pages, and this pages window, up to now you have only one page, that is called home. That's automatically giving this name to the site, home page. Right? Don't try to change this name. That's the home. Right? In addition to this home page, you are going to add new pages. Suppose this example, I am going to identify the categories: land vehicles, then water vehicles, vehicles go through the water, then vehicles go through the air vehicle. In that way, I am going to identify some categories. This one category identified as one page. Therefore, you want to add pages to represent these categories. Right. To add pages, click on the plus mark below that. At the bottom, there is the icon, plus mark icon. Click on here. Once you click this plus mark, then small box appear there. Right, now you can give the name for this page. Right. I am named as land. Right. Give the name and click done button. Click done button here. Right. Once you click done button there, then see the difference. Then what happened? Your portfolio, your first page. At the top of your portfolio, there's a menu bar appear. Right. Separate menu bar. In this menu bar, already you have home and the newly added page also you can see, land. This one is the newly added one, land. The previous one is home. By clicking the home here, then you can move to the previous one. By clicking land here, now you can move to the new one. Here also you can add pictures, YouTube video, text, the various types of things. That earlier I explained it. I am not going to explain it again for the land page. Only showing how to add pages. Then another page. If you want to add another page, click plus mark here. Give the name. Then I'm typing water here, then click done button. Then see the difference, see the menu there, the new category added to the menu, water. In that way, if you want to add air vehicles, type the name air and click done button. Right. In that way, you can add new pages onto your portfolio. Right. Then I'm going to show one specific page. That particular page actually we are using to collect information. Right. Once you finish this creating this portfolio, then you will get a link. Then particular link you are giving to the others. Then others can see your portfolio through this link. After you visiting your pages, the visitors after visit this your page, then they can comment how about your page. To add comment, therefore to add comment you need the comment page. Right, suppose see how can add a comment page. To add the comment page need another new page. Click on the plus mark, give the name as comment, or I'm giving here feedback. Right. The new page name is feedback. Then click done button here. Right. Once you click done button, then the new link, new page added to the menu as feedback. Right. Now you are going to add the feedback form. The feedback form mean here that Google site allowing to insert Google Forms to here. What's Google Form? That earlier we discussed, already we discussed that part, how to create in the Google Form. Before you create in the portfolio, you need that one, right? Before you designing that particular page, feedback page, you need to design the Google Form there, right? Once you design the Google Form, then click Insert tab again, click Insert tab again, then scroll down. At the bottom you can see an option called forms. Click on the forms option here. Right. Once you click form, then you can see all the available Google Forms with your Google account. Right. All the Google Forms with your Google account. Right. Available Google Forms. If you already created one to collect the information from others, that particular form also appear in this area. In my case, I already designed a Google form called feedback form. I am going to insert this form into the page. Right. Click on here. Once you click here, then blue color bar appear at the bottom. Here indicate one selected. Then option insert. Click on the insert here. Right. Once you click insert, then after that you can see your Google form in the page. Right. Now you can place this Google form in this any area of your page. In that way, to highlight the Google form, you can add the background color also by clicking this section background. You can select one of the background type. I am in this time I am select emphasis 2. Right. By giving the background, now you can see that particular form, feedback form. Right. By visitors of your page, they can give some ideas. They can give their names, contact information, and their experience regarding your portfolio. And finally, they can submit. Click on this submit button. Then all the information you can see on with your Google accounts. Right. In that way, we can design the feedback or comment form also. Right. Then finally, once you finish all the design, the final thing is you want to publish it. After you publish, then only you will receive your link. Right. To show this one only, I need 5 minutes, but the time is now available less than 1 minute. Only 5 minutes I need to explain the rest of the thing. Then what do? Is it possible to link in the same using the same link now? Is it possible to link again now? Okay, students. Is it possible to link again?
Okay.
Right. Okay. Use the same link. Right. Use the same link to link again. Right. Therefore, I am now stop this meeting now. Right. Connect again using the same link. Right. Okay.